Good morning to one and all. This is Dhanapal, IT Department of Erode Sengodar Engineering College, Perundurai. So today's my topic is computer networking. So what are all the topics we are going to discuss about? The types of networks in the computers. The first one, personal area network, local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, storage area network, virtual private network, client server network, peer-to-peer networks. The first one is personal area network. So in this personal area network is a computer network used for a transmission among devices such as computer, laptops, tablets and telephonics, etc. It is also known as home area network. So it is used to communicate among the devices themselves for connecting to higher level network and internet. So we can see the image of the personal area network. So we can connect our device with telephone or printer or any other devices through the network cable. Okay. The next one, local area network. It is simply known as LAN. So it is widely used in current situation. So in this local area network we need two processes. The first one is cable, the network cable and Ethernet card. So Ethernet card is very important for this local area network. So it is evolved and has seen significant improvement regards speed and efficiency. So all the devices are locally connected, so the speed is very high and very efficiency. And upside of a LAN is fast data transfer within the speed that can be up to 10 gigabits per second. So this is about local area network. And next one is campus area network. So campus area network means it is maybe used for the any universities or any organizations. So suppose any one university means it will have some number of blocks. So each block can be connected to this using campus area network. So that's why all the networks, all the blocks systems are connected through this network. So easily the users can share their resources, communication over this campus area network. The next one is metropolitan area network. So this metropolitan area network larger than LAN but smaller than or equal to the size of wide area network. The size range anywhere to from 5 to 50 kilometer diameter radio. And metropolitan area network typically owned and managed by the single entity. This could be internet service provider or telecommunications company that sell its services to end users in that metropolitan area. And one more point is, for all intents and purpose, a man has same characteristics is a WAN with distance constraints. So it will network up to 5 to 50 kilometer diameter range. So it can be connect in this metropolitan area. We can connect number of sub branches or any other interconnect between the number of organizations through this metropolitan area network. The next one, wide area network. So wide area network, also called as WAN. It is a larger than remaining things like a LAN and CAN or PAN. Okay, the data travels through the telephone or cable lines. So it is using telephone lines or network cables. Usually it should be require a modems. So modem is required for interconnecting all devices through the network. The world largest wide area network is called as a internet. The next one is storage area network. It is also known as SAN, may refer to as sub network or special purpose network. So in the storage area network, we can store our data or retrieve our data from various places or various server from various places. So it is uses LAN also. So storage area network, we can store our private data or confidential data in the storage devices like a RAID, optical storage or tape anywhere in our network. The next one is virtual private network, VPN. So that can access public network remotely. VPN uses encryption and security protocol to retain privacy while it access outside resources. So it may be used network cables or optical cables. When employed on network, VPN enables an end user to create a virtual tunnel to remote location. Typically, telecommunication use VPN to log into their company networks from home. So any network, that is LAN, MAN, WAN or virtual private area network, that should be need some security like authentication, confidentiality and integrity. Authentication means it should provide valid the identifiers of the two peers. Suppose there are two persons are communicating between each other, means the authentication means it should validate the user. The next one is confidentiality. So it should provide encryption of the data to keep it private from prying eyes. So during the communication between the two users in the organization or outside the organization, the data should be confidential. Like the third party users cannot view the communication between the sender and receiver. Integrity. So next concept, integrity. It is used to ensure the data sent between the two parties or devices or sites has not been tampered with. So this is all about virtual private area network. And next one is client server network. So in client server network, in this concept, one server is acted and as well as all the devices are communicated through this server. So in this concept, server is main and we have number of client access this server, and also the server is central computer that is continuously available to respond to the request from the client for file print, data or applications and other services like printing, faxing or connecting the internet. Most network operating system adopt from the client server relationship. Suppose every client has different kind of OS, so the server should accept the request from the client and response as their requirement. The next one, peer-to-peer network. Usually it is a small network. Each workstation has equivalent capabilities and responsibilities. So in this concept, switch or hub not required. These types of networks do not perform well under heavy data loads. So it's a simple, that means peer-to-peer connection. So it will not perform it will not convey or communicate the data between the devices. Okay. So these are all about my topic. Thank you.